Namaste friends, this is Ramesh Pitla LLB. I want to create an awareness about IPC sections. So the basic awareness sessions about various kind of Indian penal codes. Today let us discuss about IPC 173. Basically this is all about if anyone trying to prevent to receive any summons, notice or order from the legally competent public servant or from the court, if anyone try to prevent, what kind of punishment they will be getting. So before that, I request you all to subscribe to this channel and let us increase our basic knowledge about law and order. So IPC 173 basically says that preventing service of summons or other proceedings or preventing publication thereof. As per the description is given like this: whoever in any manner intentionally prevents the serving on himself or on any other person of any summons, notice or order proceeding from any public legally competent, such as public servant, to issue such summons, notice or order, or intentionally prevents the lawful affixing to any place of any such summons, notice or order, or intentionally removes any such summons, notice or order from any place to which it is lawfully affixed, or intentionally prevents the lawful making of any proclamation under the authority of any public servant legally competent, as such public servant, to direct such proclamation to be made, shall be punished with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 month, or with fine, or the fine may increase or which may extend to 500 rupees, or with fine. So I request you all to don't commit for these kind of offenses. So if anyone try to commit for this kind of offenses, they will be getting imprisonment plus fine. It's a bailable offense, it's a non-cognizable offense. Even sometimes the other persons may receive summons, orders or some kind of notice from the court to attend. But some people will try to prevent such kind of summons or notice or order from the respective court. One more thing, if the summons, notice, order or proclamation is to attend in person or by agent, or to produce a document or electronic record in a court of justice, with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months, or with fine which may extend to 1000 rupees, or with both. So as I said, even court will issue the summons or some notice, some kind of order. The people are supposed to respect the court and they should receive them. But if they try to abscond and if they're trying to prevent them to don't reach to the appropriate person, preventing also an offense, they will be getting up to 6 months imprisonment and also fine. It's a bailable offense, non-cognizable offense. So my request for you all is respect court, respect the public servant. We are supposed to respect law and order. We are supposed to move in our country according to law and order. You should not live against to law and order, because whether you might committed a crime or not, whether you might committed for any mistake or not, but you are supposed to answerable to the respective court. To attend in the court in a certain time, certain date, the court will issue summons or any order or any notice. But if you are preventing to receive such kind of orders or notice, it is an offense. It's like you are against to the court, you are against to the public servant, you are against to the law and order. When you are against to things which are legal, then obviously you will be getting appropriate imprisonment or fine. So I request you all to don't commit for any crimes. Please do subscribe to this channel and let us spread awareness about all IPC sections. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. Respect women, stop crimes on women, stop rapes on women, stop crimes against children. If you have any queries, any support, any awareness, any help, if you want, you can post your comments in this video. I will answer to your queries, and let us see the crime-free India. Let us work for our country and respect the law and order. Every citizen is responsible to respect law and order and to stop crimes. Thank you so much and have a great day. Please do subscribe to channel. Thanks again. Ramesh Pitla.